Hi people, today I'm going to be answering a comment posted by a individual who seems to think that the carburetor was not the problem. I'll try and prove it to you now. This is my old one, as you can see. It's the original one. I've got a bit of petrol here, tip it down the top. Now, you see how it's leaked out of that bush there? It's leaked all out of that bush there. That means it was sucking air through there, and it's done the same on the other side. Under the throttle lever, you can't really see that. But that's where it was leaking air from. That bush in there, behind that nut there. See how it's all leaked down there? That's where she was leaking air from. Right, we go back over here. Got the new one on. This is actually a this is a Stromberg carbi. This is actually from a HZ. This is off a blue motor, so there was few slight differences, like the mount for the accelerator cable was a bit longer. I actually busted this rubber grommet here, but that's alright. The choke cable is now too short, because the choke used to run this way. Now the cable has to run this way, which is now too short. And the only other thing too was the vacuum advance for the timing was in a different spot, so I just got another bit of hose and extended it to there. Also, I was mentioned about timing. It's timed at 6 degrees, which is what it should be, between 4 to 6 degrees for these, I believe. Now I've put the air cleaner back on. I haven't actually started this for a while. That's alright. I won't be going far. Cobwebs, spiders. Poor old girl. Take her out a bit more, I think. Now, as you can see, she's cold. She hasn't been anywhere today. I'll start her up. I can turn that off. Well, that's embarrassing. Right. Oh, no, that's not connected anymore. It's been that long since I started it, there was no fuel in it. That's what that was. But I don't know why I shut the bonnet. As you can see, she's stone cold, and listen to that. Can't get any better than that. So just to prove this this guy wrong, doesn't know what he's talking about. She's cold. She just took a while to start. Oh, I haven't started it for a while. Good bloody month. Had no fuel in it by the sound of it. Fuck, watch the motorbike. Whew. Here we go. way. Starting to come up to temperature now. No hassles. Smooth as anything. A lot smoother on the takeoffs than what it used to be. Speedo's 20 kilometres slower than what it should be too. Dokey. Do not need to go any further. Turn around. Does idle a bit too high, I admit that. that's it. So, mate, if you're gonna swear and curse and carry on like a pork chop, do it somewhere else. So no one really wants to hear it. Unless you're asking a question, don't say anything. Unless you know what you're talking about. And that's it there. I'll show you again. Behind there. I'm going to put a bit more down there. Yeah, see that? Yep. Yes. Woohoo. Rightio. That concludes that.